Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn pages to manage admin access safely step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn homepage by entering www.linkedin.com in the address bar. If you are not already logged in, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your LinkedIn email address in the first field. In the second field, enter your password. Click the Sign In button to access your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the LinkedIn page you wish to manage. From the search results, select the appropriate LinkedIn page. Once on the page, look for the Admin Tools button, usually found toward the top right. Click on Admin Tools to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Manage Admins from this menu. You will now see the current admins listed on this page. To add a new admin, click on Add Admin. Enter the name of the LinkedIn member you wish to add. Select the correct person from the suggestions that appear. Choose the appropriate admin role for this user, such as Content Admin or Super Admin. Click Save to confirm the addition of the new. If you need to remove an admin, find their name in the current admin list. Click on the Remove button next to their name. Confirm the removal when prompted to ensure the changes take effect. Review the list of current admins regularly to maintain security. Log out of your LinkedIn account by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu to complete your session. Always ensure to share admin access wisely to maintain the safety of your LinkedIn page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.